Hi everybody, this is my wonderful and beautiful Kia Picanto. Ayan. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning and my Kia Picanto is still pretty. So, I'm just gonna take you in a brief tour of my Kia Picanto. Oops, ano yun? There's a slipper. Kanino slipper yun? Ah! Somebody's sleeping inside. Who is this? Sino yan?
Angel.
That's my brother! He's my squatters in my Kia Picanto. Oh my golly, wow! He fits inside my small Kia Picanto and it's very luxurious Kia Picanto. It's comfortable. See that? Oh, what you doing here? Sino ka text mo?
Wala.
Who's you texting? O, diba? My Kia Picanto is very maluwag. Sige, matutulog na nga ako. Kinukunan lang kita. Parang sarap-sarap ng tulog mo dito ah.
Good night.
Good night! Yan, see? So, sino may sabi? Who said that Kia Picanto is small when my brother can fit inside? It's very comfortable sleeping inside. Hold on. One more. Take a tour. Wala! Oh, diba? It's very spacious. It's a spacious Kia Picanto. Watch your feet. I'm gonna close it. Haha. Small but terrible. That's what you call it. Okay, good night.